Okay, so you have to check out this super simple recipe. What we've got here is any kind of vanilla yogurt. It can be plain vanilla. This one does have sugar in it, but I also have stevia over here if you want to substitute that. And that's pure stevia. It doesn't have any added ingredients like it usually does. And if you've ever tried to combine cocoa with anything else, you may have noticed that it doesn't combine basically with any kind of milk or water unless it's hot. It's very difficult. So this is kind of an interesting, you can actually put as much as you want really into it. If you're a real cocoa lover or you're trying to get more cocoa in your diet in a healthy way, this really does not add much in terms of calories or fat. I think it's, what's it say here, 10 calories per serving. Of course, that's just a teaspoon, but still fairly low. It's got a lot of fiber. I'm estimating about 10 grams of fiber in this, just from the cocoa. Also 16 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, 19 grams of carb, but that's only, again, because this is a yogurt that has sugar in it. But check this out. Now, if you think about the taste of yogurt, okay, it's got almost a bitter or sour kind of flavor to it in the undertone, and that actually combines very well with cocoa, and they kind of complement each other that way. So you've got kind of a pure cocoa taste. It almost tastes like cake batter when you're done. Now I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so I'm going to pause it. So that's about 15 seconds later. It really blends very well and it makes it extremely smooth. And this will range from 100 to 200 calories depending on the serving. And if you want to go with stevia or regular just vanilla yogurt that has sugar in it. But give it a try. It tastes like, I don't know, cake batter almost. And you wouldn't think it would be that easy because cocoa is always a pain. It's really like water insoluble. But give it a try. Here's my approximate nutrition list. Enjoy.